In this video, you will learn how to chat with Amazon customer service. Sign into your Amazon account. Log into your account through the Amazon website or mobile app. So click the system, click to request your order. Go to the help section, scroll to the bottom of your Amazon homepage, click on the help tab under help us or help you section. Select need more help. In the help menu, choose need more help, then click contact us to access the customer service options. Choose your order or issue. Select the order you need help with, or choose a general topic if the issue is not order related. Select Start Chat Now. Click on Start Chat Now to open a live chat window with your Amazon customer service bot or representative. Explain your issue. Type in the details of your problem. Follow any prompts. A live representation will show you, and join the chat if you need. Now you know how to chat with Amazon customer service. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.